In this video, we are going to show you two simple methods of estimating your energy consumption. The easiest way is to look up your energy consumption as reflected on your electricity bill. The utility would normally provide the consumption on which your bill is based and will indicate how many days of consumption were used in the calculation. Some utilities have a set day on which readings are taken, and others do not. Also take note the month of the year. Summer months tend to be lower. Using our previous bill, the customer is on two tariffs, one higher than the other. Adding up consumption at both tariffs gives us the total consumption, but recall that this was over 158 days, and this must be taken into account. The average daily is 31.7 kilowatt-hour, but note that this does not tell us whether the consumption was mostly during the day or was at night. The second method is manual, but it is made slightly easier with a spreadsheet tool that many people have found useful. To estimate your consumption, you need to list the appliances that use up electricity in your home, including light bulbs, fridges, and so on. You need to know the watt rating of each appliance that uses up electricity. But where do you get this watt rating information? Appliances that use electricity are usually supplied with a nameplate to provide crucial operating information, including watt rating. To get energy consumption for each appliance, you need to capture the watt rating from the appliance, as well as the number of hours the appliance will operate on average each day. For example, in this tool, a single light bulb in the first line has a watt rating of 40 watts and will be operate for 12 hours in the evening. This bulb then consumes 480 watt-hours of electricity, or 0.48 kilowatt-hours. Refrigerators are normally supplied with an energy efficiency label that gives the appliance's energy consumption in kilowatt-hour per year. This tool allows you to take this number directly from the label to ensure your estimations are more accurate. Continue down the list and make sure you do this. 1. Put zero quantity against any appliance that you do not use. Then 2. Capture an estimated watt rating for the appliances that you use. If you cannot read your appliance nameplates, you can do an internet search, find the most used appliances. This tool incorporates all types of appliances, including security systems, entertainment systems, computers, and outdoor. Based on the information you have provided, the tool will calculate your estimated consumption at the bottom and provides it in kilowatt hours. Now that you are able to estimate your electricity consumption, the next step is to determine the size of your inverter, solar panels, and battery. In our next video, we will take you through a process of estimating your required system size using a very simple tool. If you liked our video, click on subscribe so we can inform you when new content becomes available, or drop a comment to request any specific content.